So this is the shootout between my handheld vacuum cleaner versus my new robot vacuum cleaner. Do you really need it? Dear, can you vacuum the floor please? Would you rather do this? Wouldn't you like the robot vacuum cleaner do this? So here's the robot vacuum cleaner. Now the one I've got here is the iLife L100. So how do we turn this on? Well, at the side, there's a on-off power button. So all I have to do is just press this on. And let's see how it gets started.
System is starting up. Please wait.
Please wait. I've been waiting for a few seconds.
Please press the button to start cleaning.
Button. Which button? Well, apparently you need to press the play button.
Auto cleaning will start soon.
And that's it. All you have to do is just turn on the power, press the button, and it'll start cleaning by itself. Any way you place it within your house. Alright, it seems to be, oh, that's nice. Look at that. Right, now they've also provided us with a remote control. So, other than just pressing the play button earlier, right here, I can also press the play button on the remote control. Alright, let's try it.
Auto cleaning will start soon.
You see how simple it is? Now let's say you've gone through all your rounds of cleaning and you want to stop, you can press the pause button again.
Robot is paused.
See? Okay, now if you want to bring it back to the base station, press the home button at the bottom left corner here.
Charging will start soon.
Now, apart from using the remote control, you can also use the iLife Home app. They have both the iOS and the Android version. Now, for the menu itself, I just bring the slider up, and supposing I want to clean a particular zone, so I click to go zone. I just put my finger on B and drag. There you go, selected B. Click on the tick icon, and the robot vacuum cleaner will begin cleaning. It's as simple as that. You can also go to map management and create a new map. What I highly recommend you to do is to remove all the furniture so that the vacuum cleaner, when it's doing its scanning, it can move around and detect clearly all the boundaries. I've tried before with all the different furnitures lying around, and I find that the scanning doesn't really work that well. Wherever you are, or whether you're overseas, you can trigger the robot vacuum cleaner to start cleaning. You don't have to be at home to use the app. So that's the beauty of it. Now, however, if you have pets at home, it might just startle your pet. If you have a dog, your dog might be wondering, why is this robot vacuum cleaner moving all by itself? So there you have it. It's a very simple and easy to use robot vacuum cleaner app. They have the battery indicator showing that it's at full charge. Clicking on the menu here would show you all the usage that you have used. Now you can also select the water usage for mopping. You can select gentle, standard or strong mop. You can also have the suction setting, higher powered. In other words, I can drag the slider up and that would have a stronger suction by default. Then you can save it. But of course, that would mean using more power to suck all the dirt. Right, save it. Now for parts maintenance, it's showing you that your side brushes, your main brush and your filters, what sort of percentage they are at. And the recommendation is that when the life of the parts is less than 50%, it's time to replace it. Now you can easily get this from any online store and it's easily replaceable. Cleaning history, right? It showed how much it has cleaned and how long it has taken. So for the last clean that I did on the 13th of August, this took me 40 minutes of cleaning time. So during this 40 minutes, what do you think I was doing? I was watching Netflix. So there you have it. With the app, it is so much easier to manage and to clean your house at your own convenience. Now I'm going to show you how I empty the bin. You can take it out, lift it up, press the button, and pull out the whole thing. Open up the cover. Oh, can you see all that dust coming out? Yeah, so you wouldn't want all this to be on the floor. So just put it over the back and just empty it totally. Okay, so I'm back again. I've already emptied it. It was full. And if you want to place it back while it's in the charging mode, simply slot it in. Make sure you get a click sound. That's it. Now, this particular robot vacuum cleaner also comes with the mop function. Now, how do you tell the vacuum bin from the mop bin? There are these connectors here. These connectors will be connected to the power source. But before we push it in, let's fit in the mop. Here's the mop. Alright, so now that I've got the mop cloth attached, the next thing I want to do is to fill up with water. Now the thing is, once I start pouring water in, the cloth below is going to get wet. So what this means is, I gotta push it in quick and then get it to start mopping. Otherwise, the floor will just stay wet. Alright? Now how does this mop function? It produces a jiggly left and right friction mode. It will just go forward and backwards, and it will produce a left and a right cleaning function. So there you have it. What do you think? Did the robot vacuum cleaner defeat the handheld vacuum cleaner? Well, if you ask me, I can't say 100%, but I would say, well, at least over 80% of my vote goes to the robot vacuum cleaner. Does it mean that the handheld vacuum cleaner is useless? Certainly not. There will be times when you need your handheld vacuum cleaner to do fast cleaning. Whereas the robot vacuum cleaner does take a bit of time. But of course, during that time, you can be doing something else. So what do you think? Did my robot vacuum cleaner defeat the handheld vacuum cleaner? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.